LastPass is a popular password manager that helps you securely store and manage your passwords across all your devices. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use LastPass to enhance your online security and simplify password management. Download and install LastPass. Visit the LastPass website or your device's app store to download the LastPass app. Install the app on your preferred device, whether it's a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Create a LastPass account. Open the app and select Create an account. Enter your email address and create a strong master password. This is the only password you'll need to remember, as it unlocks your vault. Set up your vault. Once logged in, you'll be guided through setting up your vault. Start adding your passwords manually by selecting Add Item or use the browser extension to automatically save login credentials as you browse. Organize your passwords. Categorize your passwords into folders like social media, banking, or work for easy access. You can also add notes, URLs, and custom fields to each entry. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. For extra security, enable MFA by going to the Account Settings and selecting Multi-Factor options. Choose from various authentication methods like Google Authenticator, SMS codes, or biometric options. Sync across devices. LastPass automatically syncs your data across all devices where you're logged in. Install the LastPass browser extension for easy access to your vault while browsing. Use the autofill feature. Enable autofill so LastPass can automatically fill in login forms with your saved credentials. This feature works in both the mobile app and browser extension, saving you time and effort. Share passwords securely. LastPass allows you to share passwords with trusted individuals. Simply select the password you want to share and enter the recipient's email address. The recipient must also have a LastPass account to view the shared information. Review Security Dashboard. Use the security dashboard to check the strength of your passwords and identify weak or reused ones. The dashboard also alerts you if any of your accounts have been compromised in a data breach. Using LastPass is a simple way to enhance your online security by managing your passwords efficiently. Start protecting your digital life today with this powerful tool. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.